What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am back here at this addition, and as you can tell, we are moving right along. We have the whole front porch framed, roof on, shingled. The entire upper floor is shingled, sheathed. All the windows are installed. 99% of the framing is done up there. We just have a couple little things to finish up, and exterior wise we still have to strip all this old wood siding off and get that sheathed with plywood, but we are making good progress. So the guys were here Saturday over the weekend. Today is Monday, and they started some of the demo, and obviously they did the shingles and finished up the deck and stuff like that. But today we are working on interior stuff, getting it all demoed, and I think we're going to open up the ceiling in this room right here, which goes up for the stairwell, so you can start going up and down inside the house rather than putting a ladder up to one of the windows, because that's the only way to get upstairs right now. So today is an interior day. It was raining earlier. Hopefully the rain stays away, but either way we're going to be inside, so it doesn't really matter. But nobody likes rain, so time to go inside and get to work.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we got a lot of work done today. We got all the old ceiling beams down. We got that whole wall we ended up demoing because it was not even close to straight. So we demoed it and we reframed this whole wall. We have a little bit to go, but we are tarping that because it is going to rain tonight. There have a severe thunderstorm warning out, so hopefully that doesn't come. But if it does, the tarp will help with that. Obviously you don't want to get water in here and ruin all these floors, but if it does get a little wet, it won't be the end of the day. So over here, as you can tell, this plate is all over the place, not even close to straight or level. There's a big dip right here, but we have all the old ceiling beams down, and we have our opening to get up to the second floor now. So the stairs will come down like this. There will be a platform right here. And then I'm not sure if they go that way or back this way. I think they go that way. Not positive. I have to look at the plans. This window will come out. It's going to have to get moved because the platform is here. Door is getting moved here, I believe. But new windows are going in all around, everywhere. This bathroom is getting completely demoed in here. This will all be renovated. The toilet is going to save. They have a new toilet in here, so we'll remove that. But kitchen, we have plasticed off. So we're moving right along. There's a lot of work left to go, but we're in a good spot. So if you guys have any questions, comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.